I'm Donovan Hammersley with Primex Manufacturing. We're here today to talk about our multimedia distribution hub, otherwise known in the industry as a structured wiring enclosure. The purpose behind this is to locate all of our services componentry for multimedia distribution at one convenient location. That allows us to sub-distribute from there throughout the home to network our home more efficiently. Another advantage to a 100% plastic enclosure is the fact that the plastic doesn't exhibit any radio frequency interference, or RFI. That allows us to mount our wireless componentry directly into the box and not have any problem with network signal throughout your home. Taking our horizontal support 2x4, we will place it in between the studs in order to perform that nice level platform to rest the enclosure on. Purpose of these holes is that we can run our electrical and also all of our conduit required, our coax, fiber, any other conduit that will be routed into the structured media panel. What we want to do now is we want to prepare the knockouts so that we're ready for full installation. We'll attach a little conduit ring on the top, which is an accessory item. Now we can see in behind our 2x4 studs, we have our conduit here that will be passed up through, as well as our electrical through the middle hole. We have our box again. We're going to attach our entrance gasket, where we'll be routing our conduit, coax, and phone line through this gasket. Again, we take the enclosure. Again, notice it's lightweight, easy handling, easy install characteristics. Place it on top of our 2x4. As you can see, we're lined up here. Our holes are lined up nice. It's resting perfectly with the horizontal support 2x4. We're now ready for the next stage, which is actually to attach the box permanently into the 2x4 studs. As you can see, we've left our electrical wiring ready to be installed by the electrician when we're ready to power up the componentry that we're going to install inside. We take our cabling, we're ready to pass it through the gasket when the time's right to hook it into our componentry, which is later downstream. Flash forward again, and we now have our drywaller that's already come in. We've put our paint shield back into the enclosure. We're ready for the next phase of the install, which will be involving mounting our frame and lid onto the structured wiring enclosure. Our media distribution hub, also known as a structured wiring enclosure, is also available in other sizes. This is our 21-inch size. Again, it's made with 100% ABS plastic. It comes again with a 21-inch lid and frame, the same way our P3000 comes. We call this our P2100. We also have it available in a 42-inch variety. It comes the same configuration, 42-inch base, with two 21-inch doors. Very convenient if you want to have two service providers with their separate locations to put their componentry. Also available in 63 inches and 84 inches, again with 3 and 4 doors respectively. So we have a whole system here that can match any need for as smart a home as you could possibly look for. Once again, Donovan Hammersley with Primex Manufacturing, very proud to illustrate our structured media enclosure series to you and all of the accessory products.